Hello and welcome back to SciTi Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you 3 simple electronic ideas that you can easily do yourself with using just a few simple components. Let's get started. And these are the items that you're going to need to make for this project. The items you're going to need is a 3-volt button cell battery, a 3-volt button cell battery holder, a clothespin which will hold the entire circuit, an LED, a negative wire, a slide switch, and 2 positive wires. Now let's go ahead and assemble this circuit and let's get started. First step, I'm going to put some hot glue on top of the clothespin just like this. I'm going to take my 3-volt button cell battery holder, place it on there just like that. Put another dab of glue and take my slide switch and put it into place just like this. Next, I'm going to put some hot glue on the end of the clothespin and take my LED and place it on there just like that. Next, I'm going to take this negative wire and solder it to the cathode of the LED, and then solder the negative wire to the negative terminal of the battery holder. Now take a positive wire and solder it to the anode of the LED, and then solder it to the center pin of the slide switch. Take another positive wire and solder it to the slide switch, and then solder it to the positive pin of the button cell battery holder. And there, your circuit is now complete. Now let's go test it out. And there you have it, your project is now complete. This is a very useful device where you can be able to clamp it on anywhere you want to be able to see and light up anything you want in the dark. Slide the switch, and there, it works. If you have a book and you're wanting to read it in the dark, clamp it onto one of the pages of your book, turn on the switch, and you can read in the dark. And these are the simple items that you're going to need to make for this project. All you need is an LED, color of your choice, a 3-volt button cell battery, and a cork. Now all you need to do now is cut the cork almost in half, just like this. Cut the cork enough in order for the button cell battery to slide in. Next, I'm going to make a hole in the cork so that way I can slip the LED through it. And then to connect it to the battery. There we go, the LED should be able to fit inside just like that, so that way the battery can connect to the leads. Push the LED all the way in, just like that, and there. Take your 3-volt button cell battery, slide it through, and there you have it, your LED lights up. Now let's see what it looks like in a bottle. I have right here this small Erlenmeyer flask, and let's see how this looks. Oh, very nice, it lights up on the inside. Especially if you put liquid inside, or opaque liquid inside, and allow it to glow and light up. There, a better view in the dark. And there you have it, now you know how to make a very simple cork light. And these are the items that you're going to need to make for this project. The items you're going to need is this 3-volt button cell battery holder, this 3-volt button cell battery, and these 2 male and female connector wires. First, I'm going to get my clippers and cut off the male parts. There we go, those are not needed. Separate the wires, remove the insulation, next, tin the wires, and then tin your button cell battery holder. Doing this will make soldering a lot easier. Solder the negative to negative and solder the positive to positive. Put some hot glue on the bottom of this cup and glue down the button cell battery holder. Next, you take your 2 female connectors, glue them together just like this, and put a little bit of hot glue on the edge of the cup. Put the wires into place just like that. And there, it should look just like this. Next, put some more hot glue down the cup, so that way you can hold down the wires, just like this. Cut off a small piece of the cup, so that way you can slide the wires underneath, so the wires can hide underneath the cup. Glue it down into place, just like this. Glue down the wire, so that way the cup can be able to stand. Put in your button cell battery, and there, your circuit is now complete. This side here represents negative, and the opposite side represents positive. And there you have it. Let's just say you're in a situation and you have like a box of LEDs that are all identical looking, but each of them are all different colors. They could be red, they could be blue, they could be green, yellow, and you have no idea because they're all identical. And you have a box that's organized that says all of the names of each of the LEDs. Now let's just say you had the box and then you dropped it and then these LEDs just spilt all over the floor. Now they're all scattered and mixed. You have no idea what they are. So then the useful thing to do is just pick them up, put them inside the cup, and this idea too can be useful if you're going to salvage LEDs that are identical, and you're just salvaging it from a circuit board and you're putting it in, and you have it just in the cup and you have no idea which ones those are. So then you just simply go ahead, take your LED, see what it is, and then if you want to organize it, you just go and take your LED, take it over here, plug it in, take the LED, plug it in, and oh, that one's a blue one. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and take my blue one and put it in my blue organized section. This is an easy, useful way to identify your LEDs. Ah, that one's a green one. Okay, put that in the green. Now I'm going to go ahead and take that. Oh, that's a red one. I'm going to put that in the red one. Now I'm going to connect this one. Oh, I can see, it's a yellow one. Okay, so I'm going to organize that in the yellow section. Very simple and very useful. Thank you for watching SciTech. I hope you learned something new, and don't forget to like and subscribe, and of course click on the bell icon to be notified for future SciTech videos. Till the next tech, goodbye.